Welcome to a new video, and at the moment I'm walking through South Shore car park, and there's quite a few people about. Yeah, it's a Saturday afternoon, a bit wet, but I'll pan the camera around and show you. So yeah, this is what it's looking like at the moment. Quite a few people back up that way, but it's not looking too bad, hence it's a wet day. So yeah, I'm going to have a walk up to the town centre today. So I've got a couple of jobs to do up that way. And don't forget, if you like the video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and that little ding dong bell at the bottom, don't forget to click that, then you get notifications when I post new videos. So yeah, at the moment I'm just opposite Farm Foods and Waterloo Road Bridge. Welcome to Blackpool. If the video's not as steady as what it normally is, it's because I'm actually using my Osmo action camera, because with it raining I need a waterproof camera if I want to film. Just over here we've got all this graffiti. I mean, it does look quite nice, don't get me wrong. Even though it shouldn't be there, some of it does look quite nice. It just looks like it's an artist, a proper artist that's done it, and not just someone using a spray can to write a load of random writing. Normally it is, but and there's quite a few people starting to park up in this car park as well. This one here, which is just parked between like 3 bays, a disabled spot, which should definitely not be parking up like that. But yeah, we'll carry on and see what's going on. Yeah, there's definitely a football match going on. People are just going in now. So yeah, that'll be one reason why the car parks are fairly busy. Few people about. So yeah, there's definitely a few people about. Even in the next car park we've got the police vans out and about, just in case it kicks off. You know what boozing a bit of football does? You'll go out, watch a match, you kick off like, oh, he did this, he did that, oh, you should have won that, oh, you should have got that in, yada yada yada. I don't know how it works out. Yeah, you got your police vans around here. You've even got a mounted team. Mounted branch. Got 2 of them. Then you got a police van there. All this is just for a football match. It's bad, but you need it. But it's bad that you need police at a football game. Yeah, you got the former Odeon building down there. Still not doing anything to it though. You got Starbucks drive-through. So they are trying to advertise that. room for development anyway. I don't actually have my external mic with me, so I'm using the built-in mic in this camera, which personally I think is pretty good quality, but let me know down below what you think to it. And I'll just pan the camera around here quickly. Look at the logo on that. Reminds me of the London Underground, doesn't it? Yeah, this is one thing I like about using an action camera. If you need to pan around, you can do it pretty much instantaneously. I know that's still old. So you got Mike Hurley's there. That one's October last year, August last year. So a lot of these billboards are actually still out of date. But saying that, I suppose if they don't have anything else to put in place, it's better than having a blank billboard. I think you'd rather look at that compared to just a blank screen. Look at that heart symbol there in the middle. I love BPL, short for Blackpool. Yeah, quite a few of these ones are fairly new. Anyway, we'll carry on. Yeah, we'll take a quick mooch around here where the court demolition is. I know I was on about doing like a weekly update, but I think it's starting to get a bit old news. It's about time I just rip the entire lot down. Just get on with it and get it over and done with.
But you won't need it anymore. And I like the way the hope is that you said when he's gone.
But yeah, I believe that there's a possible road closure in place. Yeah, you got all that. Which kind of already know about. Let's take a look through there. End up in a little traffic jam then. Kind of my fault. So I'm wearing some new trainers, and my left foot, which I've had problems with in the past, is starting to hurt again. So I'm hobbling quite a bit. I mean, yeah, they're making some good progress in that. But basically, class this video is what's town and literally a quick 5-second update. You can probably hear the wind. There we go, that's all. dry at the same time. So 31st of March 2025 for 19 weeks. Anyway, I'm going to end the video there. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, hit subscribe, ding the notification bell. I'll catch you on the next one.